is how we are stepping to Albania. We're inside of you. We did it, Joe. We did it. So this is my outfit. Don't watch the laundry. Mind your business. Mind your business. Anyways, this is the fit. Something like for the girls and the boys. Guys, so we just touched down in Luton. It's literally like coming for 3. Our flight is for 5. I was gonna check and see how much Uber is. How much? Today's Friday. Is that why there's so much traffic?
And we are going to Obli, Oncho. Where is your own Obli from, America?
Hey guys, so we just got to the hotel. Hopefully I did a vlog. No, not vlog. I did a room tour. So hopefully you lot seen that. But yeah guys, I'm just sat here on the couch because I'm in my like semi-airport fit. I need to shower first before I get on a clean sheet. You know what I mean? Some of you guys don't. My sister actually put me onto that. Like she was like, why are you on the bed if you got outside clothes on? So real. But anyways guys, I just redid my lashes. That's what I've been doing. Now this set doesn't match, low key, because I really like overdid that set. And this is how I like them. I like them to be full and dark and black. Like
What's up on the time? What's up on the time? When I just try, When I drop a song, I go need to dance.
taste test. How is it? How is she?
It is Regs.
Right. Perfect.
You know.
Welcome back to another video. It's Vicks.K in the cut in Albania. You're not here. You're at work. How does that feel? Anyways.
This a one more Mine up to tight, sip and a cocky long till it bend like banana. Mine up to tight, sip and a cocky long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl.
Hey guys, we just got back from Oma.
She's in the hand, you know what's
She's in that look. Look at the bag. Leftovers, no. So guys, we are going zip lining today. Make some noise. Woo woo! So yeah, that's what we're doing. This is the face. Accidentally matching. Do you know what I mean? Like, Drive. This is low-key a hike.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, je m'appelle. Ça va bien? Salut. Hey guys, it's the evening time. I thought I'd show you guys the snack that I bought. I bought this on, when did I buy this? Like when we first got here. Huh? Yeah, there. So yeah guys, I'm gonna try some takis, the volcano. It's like Doritos.
I don't like Doritos anymore.
Oh, you wanna try it? Let's try it. Okay. It literally tastes like Doritos dipped in like cheese.
Oh guys, AY reporting here live in Albania.
In Albania. Bro.
So I didn't see. As I've been on the street, I felt like a girl. That's not like a girl.
Wrong language. Anyways, hey guys. So we went on a stroll to the beach. Look at the scenery. Cameraman, see me. Thank you. Anyways, back to me. But yeah guys, like this is the life, man. I have got a live audience behind us, so I'm going to wrap this up.
I'm not a fan of deep.
Guys, this is the last breakfast of the view. Oh my gosh, let's do a taste test. I was here yesterday. I know how the food tastes like. But
I'm not trying
I
this
feel like
stuff.
I've not been vlogging. But yeah, this is my plate. And I got hot chocolate as well. Oh. Someone's gonna think I'm an iPad kid. But it's called Content Kid. So got some sausages. So guys, let's get a cheeky tang. I'm gonna put some sun cream on. Oh, my face is so dry actually. Let's start there. I actually can't see myself. On pile, 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 on pile, 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 pile. We're doing what we do best. Noise making.
Yeah.
Yeah. Noise making. But yeah, we're just chilling by the pool.
Chilling by the poolside.
Chilling by the poolside. Chilling by the poolside. By the poolside. By the poolside. When I tell you guys, this is how we are 24/7.
All the time.
Making noise, yo.
Because it's a vibe.
Making noise in my chommy. Aye. This is the sun cream that we're using. I love my boots one, but this is doing it. This is doing it though. This is low-key doing it. So guys, we are going to KFC. This is the food. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, we'll give you a car haul as well. But yeah, we're gonna go to KFC. Then we're going to this whole cruise thing, and then dinner. That's the plan for today. This is Ayo. Hey, kids. So guys, this is the look for our boat excursion and jet ski. Yeah, this is the fit, guys. The saxophones. I'm on my phone now. We praise God. Thank the Lord for Ayo, because guys, I would have been crying. I actually would have been crying. But anyways, we survived. Phone unlocked. Yeah. So we're just heading out now. Oh my gosh, let me sort this out. Oh, didn't see you there.
Hey, you never see me coming, eh?
Hey guys, live and direct in Albania. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Hold on. Look in my eyes, I'm losing my mind. I got the foundation of the original. So far. You're the only one that I have ever wanted. Meant to fall in love. What can you do?
Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I
Let's try that. Guys, my lips are dry. Hold on. Hold it. Oh, the lighting's really bad, guys. Whoa.
Because we start walking down now.
Yummy.
She doesn't even need sugar for shit. I thought it was mukbang.
Okay, guys, sorry, I got distracted by my beauty. Right, let's try the sandwich. I've already eaten it though. Sorry, why am I shouting? Sorry. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, the thing is, I actually don't like tomatoes.
I took mine out.
But I'm too lazy. Like,
I took mine out. I'm hungry.
I'm not committed to being a picky eater. Oh, do you know what I mean? I'm not that committed, but I might need that tissue actually. This is why I don't get no Tims, bro. Look at the way I'm eating. No table manners. There's someone there's someone who's people watching me, and I'm thinking, what is she doing? But they don't know about Vicks.K. She don't care. No, sorry, don't know why I did that. No, she's gonna be like, why is Vicky sticking out her tongue? Because my mom would do that to me.